Hello everyone, this is Paul. Welcome to the exciting launch of our RN2, world's first MIP 1.9mm indoor rental display. From the Roman launch, RN2 series was honored with the Red Dot Design Award 2025. How we did it? Simply just dive deep into what users really need. Small cabinet size, which is 500 x 500mm, with seamless splitting 1.2mm structural design, and gives you 360 full view with no blind spots. Please let me introduce you Unilumin MIP, full flip RGB chip, smaller than 90 micron, providing high brightness and energy saving. Pixel level mix speed set you up with excellent color uniformity. EBL Plus Tech equip you with the robust protection and comfortable view. What's more, RN2 is large module design, reduce physical seams. As the first MIP indoor rental panel, RN2 1.9 MIP gives you 1200 nits brightness and 15,000 to 1 contrast ratio, but only draws 100 watts per panel. RN2, its unique central handle design delivers over 70,000 newtons of cabinet strength, achieving an 8 times safety factor for 10 meters hanging installations. The RN2 cabinet is fully modular with knob-operated LED modules, enabling trouble-free front or rear maintenance of module and control box. Its dual pre-locking system allows single-person quick hanging. The RN2 series supports straight, curve, corner, flexible displays, even combination with XC and XX. Creative stage customized at your view. RN2 series, a new generation of indoor rental LED screen, tailored for high-end conferences, summits, stage events, TV stations, studios, exhibitions, trade shows, and more. Until now, we present RN2 1.5 and 1.9 with MIP and SMD plus GOB, while 2-in-1 on 1.9 and U-Shell on 2.6. A full protection solution for indoor rental 5 pixel. Thank you.